Ever wondered how to make money with just one AI? Well, buckle up because we're diving into the intricate world of artificial intelligence and how it's transforming the way we earn. Firstly, AI can be used to predict market trends. By analyzing data patterns, AI can accurately forecast future market movements, giving you an edge in stock trading. Secondly, AI can automate tasks. By automating repetitive tasks, you can focus on more complex tasks, increasing your productivity and thus your income. Thirdly, AI can be used in content creation. AI can create engaging content, saving you time and allowing you to monetize your platform more effectively. And finally, AI can create personalized customer experiences. By tailoring each customer's experience, you can increase customer satisfaction and loyalty, leading to higher sales. Remember, the key to making money with AI is creativity and innovation. So think outside the box and let AI do the heavy lifting. Stay tuned for more tips on leveraging AI to boost your income. Until then, keep exploring, keep learning, and keep innovating.